Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize your financial documents in Notion, your guide for 2025. Firstly, let's create a new page in Notion. This is where we'll store all our financial documents. The reason we do this is to have a designated area for our finances, making it easier to navigate and keeping our workspace decluttered. Now that we've done that, our next step is to categorize our documents. We can create different tables for categories like bills, invoices, and receipts. This helps us because it provides a clear overview, making it easy to locate specific documents. Next up, let's add our documents. We can do this by clicking on New and then File and Media. Then drag and drop your document into the relevant category. This is important as it ensures all our documents are in their respective places, reducing the time spent on searching for specific documents. Once all our documents are uploaded, let's add a date column to each table. We can do this by clicking on plus Add a column, then Date. This helps us because we can then sort our documents chronologically, aiding in tracking and referencing. Finally, let's integrate Notion with your Google Calendar. This allows us to set reminders for bill payments or important financial dates. To do this, click on Settings and Members, then Integrations. Find Google Calendar and click Connect. The reason we do this is to ensure we never miss a financial deadline. And that's it. You've successfully organized your financial documents in Notion. It's a simple, effective way to keep your finances in check. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.